Contact.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Yeah, it is all the way.
Off. Contact.
Contact.
That was the way.
Off.
You have an audience as well.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Oh, there's the primer. It's a long reach.
Oh, is that where it is? Oh,
Just a bit of a reach is right.
It's a long
it's on
reach.
the wrong side of the problem.
Contact.
You nearly had it there.
Oh, next time.
Off.
I'll second that.
Contact. Contact.
So it is a reduction gear.
Yeah, amazing, isn't it?
And see the tappets going. Look. It just dumps the oil.
Oh, right. The oil just shoots out, does it?
That's how they all have black faces.
Taylor was the last person to fly it before it was grounded.
Really?
Yeah. He's going to get a flip in it now. Gage is going to give him a big flip. I think he's low on fuel. See, it's on radio.
Very modern, the headsets.
But I get one of you anyway in mine.
Will you?
Yeah.
Oh, you're having me, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no, I'm
Was that me?
No, it's me actually.
Oh. Phelim, I believe you were the last to fly that before now. What year was that?
50 years ago.
50 years ago today.
Yeah.
50 years ago.
Yeah.
You soloed in that, didn't you?
No.
No.
No, I saw it in a one that he has the EIA GD, an Oster. He
an
still
Oster.
has it down there.
Still has it. Oh, that's good.
But I put up a lot of hours on that.
The real flying.
And I,
Nice thick wing on it.
Kuna.
Kuna.
I would put it, yeah.
Is the runway any longer in those days?
No, that's a long walk. 400 meters.
It is.
Oh, yeah.
It's got a heavy wing, hasn't it?
It has, yeah. 24 tons of fuel in the wing.
Only 24?
24.
Yeah. Did you do any cross-water trips?
Not with me.
No.
No.
There she goes.
Sure, absolutely. Next to that's 1930. Yeah, 35.
35, yes.
I thought I heard a miss there.
That's in your head.
I thought it was in the end.